Search Engine Optimization, or SEO for short. It's all about getting found on Google. Ideally, you want to be on page 1 of Google, and even better, right at the very top of page 1. And preferably, you want to be featured in Google's own featured snippet. These here are my own articles that Google has placed on page 1. Some of them are right at the top, in position 1, as Google's featured snippet. Even this article here, which appeared in a search for the best personal money tips, that's right at the top of 2.2 billion search results. So, how can you do that too? How can you get found on Google? Well, that's what this practical Take It Easy workshop is all about. It's search engine optimization, but with all the complexity stripped away.